My journey as a photographer is born from a love of the landscape. The story of the natural world mirrors our own, and like a great photograph, finding balance is key. Unearthing this equilibrium requires a rhythmic sense, an almost spiritual process as we aim to coexist with the beauty around us. We shape one another, communicate our story, and set ourselves on a path through life defined by a series of significant moments. There are magical moments that fill us with joy. Good morning and welcome to a beautiful morning here in the Lake District for another day of landscape photography. Moments when things don't quite go according to plan. Oh no, that looks like it could be a dead camera. There are shared moments with family and friends when we build memories together that will last us forever. We stand at a juncture, a moment when it's never been so vital for us to reconnect with nature and let it inspire us to work together towards a global change. Get outside, into nature, explore it and enjoy the adventure. For me, capturing these moments just seems obvious. It's just made it all so worth it. What a fantastic way to start the day. If you've never done this, you really should, because it's a very special moment. Very special. And great photography too.